Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency with over 15 years of experience helping businesses scale through Google Ads. In today's case study, we are sharing with you how we have helped a business specializing in home energy solutions generate high quality leads and achieve consistent conversions. If you are struggling to get leads at an efficient cost, then this case study will give you the insights into a successful strategy. The client provides energy assessments and the solution for residential properties across multiple provinces in Canada. Their goal was to generate high quality leads for their services, but they were facing major challenges with their previous campaigns. One of the biggest issues was that their conversion tracking was not set up properly, making it difficult to measure actual performance. Without the accurate data, optimizing the campaign was nearly impossible. Our first step was to fix the conversion tracking setup by using the GA4 and the Google Tag Manager to ensure every lead submission was correctly recorded. Once tracking was in place, we have moved on to campaign structuring. We have conducted in-depth keyword research using the Google AdWords Keyword Planner to identify high relevant and high intent search terms. By selecting the keywords that they closely match their services, we have ensured that the ads were shown to users actively searching for energy assessments and home efficiency upgrades. We have structured the ad groups based on the specific services to maintain high relevance and better ad targeting. Next, we have optimized the ad copy to improve the engagement and the lead generation. We have incorporated high performing keywords directly into the headlines, making the ads much more relevant to users. Additionally, we have highlighted the key service benefits and the value proposition that were already present on the client's website. A strong call to action was included to encourage users to take action immediately. Alongside the search campaign, we have tested out the Performance Max campaign to expand the reach across multiple Google networks, including the display, YouTube and Discovery. Our in-house creative team designed high-quality banners and the video ads to increase engagement and the visibility. We have also implemented the retargeting campaign to reconnect with the users who had visited the website but they had not completed a lead form. By using the engaging visuals and the persuasive messaging, we were able to bring back the potential leads and improve the overall conversions. The overall results were outstanding. Over the course of a month, we have achieved 142 conversion at a CPA of only 14.30, maintaining a steady flow of around 6 to 7 leads per day. By focusing on high intent keywords, optimizing the campaign structure, leveraging the PMax and implementing the effective retargeting strategy, we have successfully maximized the lead generation while keeping the costs under control. If you have running the campaign in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can just share with us the PPC account access. We will be able to do the audit, and the audit will of course be free of cost, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.